Go Carpet Cleaning in Snellville, Georgia. Looking for a carpet cleaning business that cares about your well-being as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. Contact us today for a free quote. We concentrate on office and residential carpet cleaning, utilizing only natural, environment-friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your whole family and beloved pets. Our team is committed to offering attention to detail that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and new. About carpet cleaning services in Snellville. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning up carpets in homes all around Snellville and neighboring areas, bringing years of experience to every task and a persistent dedication to client service. We want to make sure that our customers are 100% pleased with the carpet cleaning solutions that we provide, and we guarantee full satisfaction on every single job. Go Carpet Cleaning can take care of dirt and grime in your area rugs. Simply give us a call and let us know that you are interested in stain removal for your Oriental rugs, and we will arrange a visit for you. Call us for a totally free consultation and to discuss our cost-effective rates on carpet cleaning in Snellville or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Sewanee. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Snellville, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Snellville-GA.